Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to more or less navigate through your MetaTrader 4 app. So at the bottom left, you'll see we're on the quote screen. So if there's any pair that you don't find over here that you're wanting to trade, you will click top right on the plus sign. When you click on it, you'll go to search and you can search like, let's say GBB. I got most of them though, so there's GBB CHF, and then you just click the green button on the far left if you want to add the pair. Otherwise, all your pairs should be here. I like to keep it on advanced. I just like to see the spread. I like to see the low and the high for the past 24 hours. If you want to keep it simple, just click simple, and then it will look like this. But you can't see the low and high anymore, so it's up to you if you want to leave it on advanced or simple. Top left, you have the pencil or the pen. If you click that, you can delete pairs that you don't want to see on the chart. So let's say I want to take EOS away. I just click on it like that, press delete, click the pen again, and it's gone. Cool. So chart. You guys can customize your chart in the setting options to whatever you really like. I like to keep it simple. Bullish candles green, bearish candles red. Nothing fancy there. And then yeah, that's basically it, guys. So quotes, charts, history. If you want to place a trade, so let's just say you want to place a trade, you'll go up to trade, top right, you'll click trade, and then you'll go into the pair that you want. So AUD USD, or if it's GBP USD, or if it's NZD USD. So let's just say Euro USD. Remember, all the analysis is done on tradingview.com. We just use the phone's app basically to enter our trades, the stop losses and so on, and just monitor it while we're on the move. But we will actually only analyze on the TradingView app on your PC. Please, guys, do not analyze from your phone at all. MT4 is very inaccurate. Rather use TradingView. So let's just say you want to place a buy. You click on the stop loss. You set where you would like your stop loss set. You guys will see in other videos how you know where your stop loss needs to be and where your take profit needs to be. So you set your stop loss. Let's say we're going to buy. Take profit is 117,500. And we basically set our lot size over here where it says 0.12. So let's say 0.1. We want to use a one lot. And you basically just click buy. That's an instant execution, or if you want to click sell. Now when you click on market execution, you'll now get a drop down list of buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, and sell stop. I explained that in the video that you either watched before or after this, but I have explained all of those terminology so you understand it. But yeah, this is just basically MetaTrader 4 app 101. Just giving you the basics of how it works. Very simple app, not confusing. Anyone can use it. So guys, I'll see you on the next video.